Hey, what's up, guys? These two are the most favorite sneakers of all the times. Now let's unbox it one by one. First starts with Aeropostale. So I ordered these shoes from the Amazon at the cost of 630 rupees plus delivery charges. Normally these shoes is available at the price of 1000 rupees, but I got some special discount offer. Box is little bit broken from the left top corner. So now let's open the box. Oh my god. It's a very good shoes. I think everyone likes grey color. Let's get the closer look. Now let's check the shoes from the below. Plain white rubber material. Very nice design and only one logo. Much lower weight than other slip-ons. Overall, a very good slip-ons to buy under 1000 rupees. Let's check the information inside the shoes. Size and other informations are displayed. That's Aeropostale logo. This is it for the shoes. Now let's move to another shoes. As you can see, I ordered these shoes from the Flipkart. And a red box of vans. Let me remove the Flipkart box. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Oh my god, it looks so sexy. It's a Snow White. Now let me take out the shoes from the box. Let me focus on the shoe. A clear Vans logo inside the shoe. Now let's take 360 view of the shoes. A plastic sole colored with brown. Again, same grip as Aeropostale. Now let's check label inside a shoes. US man 10 size and made in Vietnam. Original price of this shoes is 4000 rupees and it cost me just 2000 rupees because I got an offer from Flipkart. It is original Vans beige. Comparing to the Aeropostale shoes, it is slightly heavy in the weight. Do you think this is a original Vans shoes? Let's check that out in next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.